Hey folks, Adam here with HoneyCat, and I gotta tell you, this device is an absolute home run. This is from HomerunPET, and it is stellar. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So what's so cool about this? We'll tell you more here in a moment, but you're gonna be able to refill your litter by storing it right here, and it's gonna refill. This means you can take longer trips, you can be away from the pets more, and they're not gonna have as many accidents. On top of that, you've got big waste bins to where you're able to get rid of that waste. That makes me very happy. And there's a lot of room for storage, so even our bigger cats are gonna have no problem using this for a long period of time without my interaction. That means I'm not scooping. That means that I'm not refilling. And you know what else? This has an anti-pinch technology to where if my cats come in front, it's not going to be moving around, no worries about pinching them, and I know that's a pain point for a lot of folks with other devices. So, it's got dual filters to where we can use pretty much any type of cat litter. It's anti-stank device. I'll explain later, but for all intents and purposes, they've done a great job of encapsulating and keeping the stinky parts of cat litter out of the air to where you're not smelling it. And you know what? This is a great device that you can control with an impressive app that all you have to do is download it, connect it, and now you can keep track of your litter, the times your cats go to the bathroom, everything you need to know. And this is an extra wide and extra deep amount of litter to where even if they're having some serious cat bowel issues, you're going to be covered. There's going to be plenty of litter for them to cover it, and they're going to enjoy this litter box. Now our cats, Honey, Sirius, and Sabbath, have had no problem in this device. They adapted to it within about 30 seconds. They saw what it was, they jumped in, they all took their turns, and they absolutely love it. And I know your cats are going to love it too. Let's go ahead and check it out, kick it off right about now. Alright folks, so what can I tell you about this device? Well, first and foremost, we should mention the company. They've been around since 2015, and their founder, Frank, he's a seasoned pet owner with 7 cats and a corgi. He has created some devices that really care about the user experience. Now, they have made the world's best-selling pet dryer. They are a winner of the IF Design Award. Have 146 patents, and you know what else? Veterinarians and professional breeders and pet groomers alike recommend this particular product. They think it's great as much as HoneyCat thinks it's great. I'm a fan, and I think you're going to be a fan as well. So what else do I like about this? See over on the side here, that is the litter refiller. So inside, it goes ahead and it pours the litter into the device just for you to where you don't have to do it. And I tell you, our cats are loving this device so much. Boy, they can't stay away from it. Look at this. Look at these guys over here. They are very curious. Even me talking about it right now, they want to be in the video. And they've used it several times. Let me go ahead and show you. This is Mr. Sirius, by the way. He's usually pretty shy around videos, but he's decided to be on video today. And right here, look at this. We put it in last night, and these guys, see if I can get a shot here, have used it quite a bit. So it's just done a great job of working well and efficiently. So let me show you something else I like about this product, is the bags fit perfectly in here. And compared to some of the competition where the bags are awkwardly fitting, these aren't going to slide out and you're not going to have a mess everywhere. They've just done a good job of having bags that truly fit. So that's nice, and it slides in easily. Same thing with over here. The bags are perfect size, so they're not going to slide out. That again makes me happy that they fit in there perfectly. Alright folks, so what else is cool about this? Well, it's got 3 protective mats, urine guard, it's waterproof and scratch resistant, and it's bite resistant. So even our ruffian cats are not going to mess with it. Isn't that right, HoneyCat? It's got safety sensors and anti-pinch bumps, just to make sure that no one's going to get pinched here. Just a smart design here overall. Boy, I tell you, my cats love it. This provides triple safety protection, and they just can't get enough of it. These guys just love a good litter box. HoneyCat is fun. When he gets a good litter box, he's the first one to test it out, and this one you can tell gets his seal of HoneyCat approval. Okay, so on top of that, the waste drawer, they've done a great job of making it odorless. They've put a sealant in here. I don't know the exact technology, but they've just done a really good job of making it to where you can't smell the odor, and that matters to me. It's an extra large waste drawer, so if Amy and I go on vacation, we don't have to worry about it overflowing. There's plenty of room for more and more waste. As I tell you, we got big cats and they fill it quickly, but this has made it nice to where we don't have to worry about refilling litter or overflowing of waste. This allows us to go on longer trips and not have to worry about the cats and their messes. Because you know, when a cat, when their litter box gets full, they start going wherever they want, and you don't want that. Okay, so it's got the one-click litter emptying, no more mopping or changing waste one spoonful at a time. It's doing it for you. Very easy, very straightforward, and very convenient. So a couple other things that I want to mention. It does have different filters for filtering out the litter, to where you can use pretty much every type of litter. Just go ahead and pop that in the back. So it's a straightforward replacement for the filter. I like that as well. It's ultra quiet too, running at about 39 decibels, and ambient room noise in my house when nothing is going is about 36 decibels. So out here on our screened-in, enclosed back porch, you know what? You can't hear it. You can't hear it over just normal sounds, and that makes it nice as well. So they've just done a really good job of making something ultra silent, something that's very convenient. It has a lot of extra litter right here. It's got plenty of space for your waste. It's quiet, it's convenient, it's not going to pinch your cat. Everything about it is pretty fantastic. So next up, I love this app right here. You can go into the app, you can control it, you can see how much litter is left, all that sort of stuff. You can see how many times they've used it. Very nice that I can control that all in the app, and it's getting rid of all those pain points for me. Big cats like my cats, Sabbath and Honey, very big cats, no issue here because this is a larger litter box for them. They love the protection in the enclosure, and they can't be kicking up dirt outside of it because it is enclosed. That's nice. I'm not refilling the litter, it's automatically doing it for me. That's very nice, and I'm not scooping one at a time. So all my personal pain points are covered here. And you know what? When I'm out and about, the fact that this automatically cleans, even if I'm gone for the weekend, this is perfect. Now I'm in Tampa, I can make trips to Orlando and I don't have to worry about the cats because they are covered. And folks, I love the anti-pinch sensor. Kind of hard to show in real time, but if the device is moving and the cat tries to enter, it'll go ahead and stop just to make sure that your cat is ultra safe coming in and going from the box. So just a smart design. This thing is really cool. Alright folks, so if you love your cat like I do, you're going to love this device. It's very easy to use, it's straightforward, and it's convenient. So go pick one up, you will not be disappointed. This is the latest and the greatest. The fact that it loads the litter for you, it's got a lot of extra space to get rid of all that waste. The fact that it's not going to pinch your cat, it's good for big cats, and you know what, you can control it all in the app. This thing is fantastic. Go check it out, you will not be disappointed. You know I love and appreciate you, but what are you waiting for? Get to shopping. Goodbye, my friends.